Times tables are one of the biggest difficulties in primary school maths classes. Using some examples, let's see how we build them in the classroom and how we can help children to automatize them. When we build the tables, we do it by providing a context. So, if we want to know how much 8 times 3 is, for example, we can think about how many wheels there are on 8 tricycles. If this is not enough help, we can think about how many back wheels there are. 8 times 2 is 16. And how many front wheels there are. 8. And add them up. 16 plus 8 equals 24. In other words, we deduce a result from the 3 times table based on the 2 times table. But we could also find other ways. For example, we know 8 times 3 is the same as 3 times 8. And maybe this multiplication is easier for us. We can use a context to help us again. How many legs do 3 spiders have? Or even, how many legs do we see on these 3 spiders? 3 times 4 is 12. And how many are there really? Twice as many, 24. So we can deduce the 8 times table from the 4 times table. As a result, when we build the tables in class, in addition to the context, we use the rectangular model, and we base the results on other tables. Once built, we have to practice a lot in order to automatize them, and thus have them available to us when we need them. But what can we do to help children practice both in class and at home? We can carry out this practice in different ways, while trying to move away from reciting the results of a times table in order. For example, we can prepare different cards and ask them to put them in order from biggest to smallest. This requires knowing the answer without needing to say it. Or we can also prepare other cards and ask, how can we put the cards in the boxes to make them equal? We can even provide them with 4 different numbers and ask them which numbers are from the 3 times table and which ones are not. So, it is important to dedicate time to practicing the tables to end up automizing them. In order that this practice is meaningful, it is important that the building is done based on a context and results from other tables.